Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Centerville, local and long distance movers near me. When you relocate over 50 miles, it's a long distance move. State and federal authorities regulate long distance relocations, and we have a good working relationship with them. That means we have a valid permit to transport your belongings. Your belongings are safe in our custody. Our movers dedicate time to arrange and load your belongings properly. Our trucks are also fitted to carry more heavy items, and we have adequate insurance to cover liabilities during the transition. Our drivers have a lot of experience driving over long distances. They know the safest, fastest, and road networks to your destination, and we move your belongings promptly to the doorstep of your new location. 3 Men and a Truck also offers excellent local moves in Centerville, Georgia. Although local activities are not as complicated as local ones, we still need to be adequately prepared. We need our clients to organize and help them conduct their local relocations and get satisfactory results. We have excellent customer care agents available around the clock to answer your questions and respond to your needs. Additionally, our local moves are cheaper than long-distance relocation. When you employ our services, you get the most affordable rates. Our rates for local activities are as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Centerville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.